Dura-Gold. Dura-Gold Premium 6-inch sanding disc. Six-inch discs are great for auto body repairs, car restoration products, and more. Six-inch sanding discs are available in two different backing types. PSA style and hook and loop. How Dura-Gold discs are made. Aluminum oxide corundum that's fused with zirconia alumina delivers a fast, long-lasting, sharp cut. Green film discs have an extra tough polyester film backing. Available patterns. Dura-Gold also manufactures a full line of abrasives, sanding tools, polishers, and more. Take your project to the next level.